Hi, fifth graders. Can you believe that we have officially reached the end of our unit on the states of matter and the properties of matter? As you know, we will be having a test tomorrow on this unit. And before we get to that test, I'd like to get to a little bit of review. So hopefully by this point, you have gotten a chance to take a look at the states of matter study resources that have been posted for you. Here you will find that there is a study guide. If you click on the study guide, there is nothing that you need to fill out. This is just a resource for you to look over and to study from. You'll find that these are the topics that are going to be directly related to the test that we are taking. So if you are studying these resources and looking through your science journal assignments, you should be good to go. So as you can see, the very first topic is on the states of matter. Then we talk about phase changes, weight versus mass, and mixtures versus solutions. Those are the main topics that we have touched on throughout this unit. So this is the review, and tomorrow you will see this information on your test as well. So this is a very important study resource. This will not be available for use on your test, so make sure that you are studying it before tomorrow. Hopefully you've been studying it up until this point. You'll also notice that there are a few videos posted for you to review as well for some additional study tools. So you can feel free to check those out as well. So let's get to your assignment for today. Well, today you are going to be working on this assignment called States of Matter Review. So as you can see, it says watch Ms. Terenzi's video, which you are doing right now. Then you are going to complete the Google Slides review on states of matter, either independently or with a partner. So you can work in breakout rooms or you can do this on your own. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the assignment and you are going to click through the slides, and you will notice that on each slide you will be dragging and dropping. So in this first slide, you'll see that you will have to categorize these bottom boxes into the correct box. So is it going to be mass, matter, or volume? Anything that has mass and takes up space. Well, where's that going to go? Think about where it goes, and then you're going to drag and drop it into the correct place. Same thing with this slide, spread out molecules, takes shape of a container. Well, which state of matter applies to this description? You'll drag and drop those into the correct spot. Same thing here, you're sorting what state of matter is each of these substances in. Then we're taking a look at changes in states of matter. Here you'll be filling in the boxes. Please make sure that when you fill in a word in the sentence, you're rereading the sentence to make sure that it does in fact make sense for that word to go there. If it doesn't sound correct or the grammar doesn't make sense, then chances are you may have swapped two. So recheck and make sure that they make sense. Okay, here you're going to be answering the question by typing in the text boxes. So what is the original state of matter of these ice cubes? What state of matter are they changing to? Well, look at the picture. It looks like they are melting. You can see that there's a puddle of water. So what state of matter are they changing to? And what is being increased to make this matter change? So what factor or what aspect is being increased, okay? Now you're going to look at these following slides and you'll be doing the same thing, answering the questions in the text boxes. And then finally you will be categorizing mixtures or solutions. So you will have to determine which definition is mixture, which is solution, and drag and drop. Then you'll be looking at the pictures. Here we have some fruit salad, we have lemonade. This is salt water, so you'll be thinking about once the salt is in the water and it has dissolved, is it a mixture or a solution? Cereal and milk, this is tea, and this is trail mix. Okay, so you'll be dragging and dropping those to the correct categories, right? So like I said, you can be doing this in partners or you can do this independently, and you can use this to study as well for your test tomorrow. So let us know if you have any questions.